6 out of 9 school children will work in jobs that doesn't exist yet. Due to the jobs of the future will be very different to those of today. Hi, I'm Andrea Espinoza and today I'm going to talk about job hoppers. What are job hoppers? They are professionals who change frequently and voluntarily. It is worth mentioning that their aim is the constant search for new opportunities. Fortunately, the young people in the second half of the 21st century will have a wide variety of jobs to choose from, but no one currently predict what those beneficial jobs will be. In fact, 75% of professionals under the age 35 think that frequently moving could benefit their career. But how can we educate the next generation of job hoppers? Millennials, or Generation Y, were born in the 1980s and might to late 1990 and are the largest generation of working people. They are also well educated and proficient in technology. This generation is said to be looking for quick advancement in the workplace. Okay, I come to the next point. What about the new generation of professionals? They tend towards a career full of experiences. That is why a liberal art based education should be provided. A liberal art education builds students into open communicators, free thinkers, respectable individuals, and more. In other words, this education will lead to the new generation of professionals having a wide range of job offers. In brief, the new generation will no the new generation of jobbers should be educated based on a liberal art education because it enhances our different skills and we will have more opportunities in the labor market. Okay, thank you for attention. Goodbye.